Hello, my dear students. Now we are having question number 19. A rigid wire consists of a semicircular portion of a radius r and two straight sections. The wire is partially immersed in a perpendicular magnetic field B as shown in figure. Find the magnetic force on wire if it carries current I. Okay, so this complete wire as shown in figure we can divide into three parts. Let us consider this part from this end A, okay, to B, okay, A to B. Now this B on circular loop, B to C and C to D, okay. So first we are finding the force on wire AB, on part AB. So first we are taking part AB. Since it is a straight wire, this AB is the straight wire, and let us consider length L. So the magnetic force on this AB is equal to I L B. Okay, because the angle between the magnetic field and the current is 90 degree. This magnetic field is inward and current is flowing in upward direction, so force will be left hand side. So what is the direction of force? That is the left hand side direction. Okay, now if you are taking side BC, okay, sorry, side CD, for CD, okay, so the current is moving downward direction, that is I current, and the force on this CD part is equal to minus ILB, because this left hand side direction we are considering positive and the right hand side direction we are considering negative. This is the right hand side direction. Okay, with respect to this current on AB, this CD current is negative. Okay, so both will cancel out. Okay, so the force on this AB will cancel out by this force on CD. Only the BC portion is remaining. So whatever the force on this BC, that is the net force. But it is a curved section. It is a curved section. So what we have to do? That already we have discussed. Now we are talking about the force on parts AB part. Sorry, BC part. Okay, that is, this is the curved portion. Okay, so we have to find the shortest length. What we have to do? We have to find the shortest length, that is the effective length, and in this case this effective length is equal to 2r, because the radius of this circular r we are considering as r. Okay, so in this formula, F on BC, this I and length of this wire. Actually, the length of wire is the semicircular wire, but we have to calculate here the effective length. Or what is the effective length? It is the minimum length between first and last point. Okay, the shortest length. So it is equal to 2r and magnetic field is B. Okay, so this F on BC part is equal to 2r into I into B. That is the answer. Okay, this is our answer. Now if you want to find the direction, okay, so this current is flowing in this direction. Okay, means this current is moving from this point B to this point C. So this is the direction of current. This is the direction of current. Magnetic field inward, so force will be upward direction. So you can directly written here the direction of force will be upward. Direction of force will be upward direction. Okay, so very easily we can understand the concept of the force on this section, which is emerged in partial magnetic field. But we first have to understand the concept of the force on curved section. Okay, so you have to watch all this complete video, then you can very easily understand all this concept. Thank you very much.